the edge, 73-70. Nasa Red Bull ang bola sa Salino Cruz to Cyrus Baguio. Humihingi si Adam Parada. Set goes to Salino Cruz on the other side. Salino Cruz making use of the pick by Rayback. Leona Horda on the baseline. Hit in. Parada gets it back. Got it on the second try.
Ed, kailangan natin tingnan dito. Ang nangyari kanina, Chris Alexander played the entire third quarter. So siya ngayon ang kukuha ng 1 minute or 2 minutes na pahinga. Ginebra wasn't able to take advantage of that.
Yeah.
Now it's Red Bull's turn. Si Adam Paradang papasok ng maaga. Nakakuha kagad sila 2 points.
Mike Noguera right in front of Adam Parada. Boy, oh boy, is this guy hot.
At grabe to si Mark Tagiwa. Yung hindi siya natatakot kung sinong bumabantay sa kanya. Hindi siya nasusupalpal. Won't see it often na mapalpal. Ito si Mark Tagiwa.
And Salino Cruz delivers the goods on the other side. He's got 10 in the game. Si Mark Tagiwa, alam natin, na sideline ito with injuries. Pero pagbalik niya, talaga namang pumuputok ng gusto.
Uy.
That time won't go, and Adam Parada gets the rebound. Eric Meng trying to challenge him for it. At tatawagan ng foul si Eric Meng. And it's number 2.
Even if Mark Tagiwa missed that shot, you could see it dito sa upo natin, diretso-diretso eh. You can see that he's really feeling it in this game.
Konting tulak na lang, you know. We're in the second minute of the fourth quarter. Unang game pa lang ito, mga kaibigan. Maya-maya, Magnolia versus Air 21. Nakawala si Salino Cruz. Inabot na lang kay Adam Parada. Lays it in, and Red Bull up by 7, 79-72. Parada with 22.
Remember, this was tied at 70 before the last couple of seconds of the third quarter. So right now, Red Bull in a 9-2 run dito sa ating game.
Junti Venezuela, inicha doon kay Helterbrand. Rafi Rivas with the offensive board. Back to the basket shot. Alexander, malakas. And last touch on Rivas. Samantala, Junti Valenzuela, papalitan ni sino ba pumasok?
Paul Artadi.
Paul Artadi. Okay. Salino Cruz. Lumalabas si Jojo Duncil. Short jumper by Duncil, in and out. Rafi Rivas para sa rebound. Helterbrand. Nilabas kay Artadi. Half court set para sa Barangay Ginebra. Helterbrand against La Horda. Nilabas kay Kagiwa. Kagiwa against Duncil. That one was a wild shot. Here's Jojo Duncil.
Nowhere to go.
Wala. Nag-alangan siya eh. Artadi back to Kagiwa. No. Alexander comes down with a rebound once again. Helterbrand. No. And Parada tips the ball.
You know, things just not falling para sa Barangay Ginebra. They're giving themselves a lot of chances. Di lang pumapasok.
Blocked by Alexander on Salino Cruz. Ito na si Paul Artadi. Tumulong. Hinawakan na ni Adam Parada. Sabi ni Parada, saan ka pupunta?
Definitely nothing there. Adam Parada just giving up the foul to make sure that he stays on the floor.
Yeah. Alam mo, makikita mo na, wala naman talaga intent to harm. Pero ito, ang tapang ni Salino Cruz. Medyo winasiwas pa yung bola, pero inabot pa rin ni Alexander. And here, Adam Parada says, no, you don't.
This is the foul right here.
Masyado ko mabilis eh. Sabi ni Adam Parada.
But you know, right now, Paul Artadi in the ball game, trying to change the fortunes of Barangay Ginebra. Sabi natin, Red Bull, they're in a 9-2 run and they're starting to get momentum. Ito yung si momentum changer eh. Ito si Paul Artadi. He's gonna try to liven up their defense and try to instill energy on their defense as well, or on their offense as well.
That's what he does best. Alexander against Rayback. Good job by Rayback. And Artadi from the outside. Adam Parada para sa rebound. And it goes to Salino Cruz. On the attack para sa Red Bull. Mike Rayback forward at Jojo Duncil. Duncil umaatras. Binigay kay La Horda. Nahorda inside to Parada. Back again to Nahorda. Ayaw. Ayaw ni Nahorda. Ando si Alexander eh. Hirap eh. Baka malunok ko yung bola, sabi niya. 8 minutes, 20 seconds to go. Fourth and final period. And we have this timeout.
O ano, okay ka ba dyan? Huwag kalimutan ang tiyan. Pay attention to your digestion. Yakult every day okay.
How far can you go in one full tank these days? Proven 4 times over. Petron Extra Unleaded gives you what it takes to go a long way. Petron Extra Unleaded. Go for the extra miles.
Hard starting? Mag-outlast ka! Start agad!
You play just as hard. You sweat just as much. You thirst just as deep. Only Gatorade is backed by 40 years of scientific research, formulated to rehydrate, replenish, and refuel. So you play stronger, longer. Gatorade, you need it as much as the world's best do.
Ay gabi sa atong makahigala sa Tibok Pilipinas, labihan sa ato sa Kabisayan ng Mindanao. Okay, ang inyong PBA dula sa Ginebra of Red Bull. Helger Van inside. Dilabas kay Kagiwa. Kagiwa gets away. Oh, short jumper by Kagiwa is good. 27 na ginagawa niyan.
Definitely the guy carrying the team. Ito si Mark Kagiwa para sa Barangay Ginebra. Not really a lot of guys other than him and Ante Salvacion maybe na nagpapakita ngayon sa Barangay Ginebra.
Mark Kagiwa just been called for the foul as he followed Leon Nahorda. Oh, sinabi naman ni Mark Kagiwa, di ba? Nangako siya. Siya magdadala sa Barangay Ginebra sa finals and he's being true to his word. Nahorda inbounding para sa Red Bull. Way back. Binigay kay Dunsil. Parada against Alexander. Nilabas kay Nahorda.
Bad.
Tumarong pasa ni Nahorda. Artali gets away. Foul pa on Warren Ibanez.
You know, now again, Barangay Ginebra, it's their turn to make a run. Kanina 79-72, napako na ng Barangay Ginebra itong Red Bull sa depensa nila. And right now, their turn to get turnovers, get on the fast break. Daming mabibilis dyan sa Barangay Ginebra para makatapos ng fast break. Isa na dyan si Artadi.
Perhaps not a good idea to foul.
Well, definitely not. Definitely a bad foul right there para kay Warren Ibanez.
Hindi na niya napigilan ang sarili niya. Ano ba pinagagagawa ngayon ng pinag-iisipan ng Barangay Ginebra, Dominic?
Well, Ed, isa sa mga changes na napansin ko dito kay Coach Jong Yuchiko, a lot of the players ay nagbibigay na ng kanilang mga 2 cents worth during his huddle. Sabi nga niya, one of the things that he learned when he moved to Ginebra is to be able to open the floor to communication.